Hey, what's happening, YouTube? How would you like to install Kodi, always the newest version, in the quickest possible way? This is absolutely the quickest way. I'm going to show you how to do this. Few clicks, you can have a fully loaded Kodi with the best build, the best setup, and very quickly and very easily. Let me walk you step by step how to get the newest version for free movies, TV shows, cancel all those subscriptions that you might be paying, get free sports, pay-per-views, and all that. Fully loaded Kodi with all the appropriate sections. So when you have your Fire Stick like that, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings, and from settings, you want to go to My Fire TV or My Device. And from here, you'll see something like developer options. You may not see this on your Fire Stick, but don't worry, if you don't see it, just click on the About menu. Now, when you're here, you'll see your device name. Mine says Fire TV. It might say Fire TV 4K Max. Whatever it says for your device name, just click on it about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you're already a developer. But if you're doing this at home, it will say now you are a developer. So I'm going to click back and you'll see that you have developer options now enabled. Okay, so once you do that, click once, twice, 3, 4 times back. It'll take you to the main menu. Now you want to go to Find. You want to go to Search, and inside of Search, you want to click inside of here. You want to click that blue button right there, or you can just type it in as well, and Downloader. And you want to search for an application called Downloader. Orange, white icon, looks like this. I believe almost 600,000 reviews or so. Click on that icon and simply press the download button. When this finishes downloading, don't open it up. Let it download, but we're not going to open it up yet, okay? So it's going to download, but we're not going to open it up. So what you're going to do now, you're going to hit the home button after that's done. There's a couple things we have to do. So let's go to settings, and let's go to My Fire TV, My Device. Go to developer options. Click on Install Unknown Apps, and make sure the downloader is in the on position, just like that. Now, once you do that, click once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times back. Now, once you click 5 times back, go to Find. There's another step we have to take to connect to the diggz server, okay? Press the search, and in here, we're going to put in IP vanish, exactly like you see it here. ISH. Put an IP vanish just like that and hit search. It's going to come up with a black, gray, green, white icon. You want to click on that. And you want to press the download button. Now, what a VPN is going to do, it's going to allow you to get into my unlinked store to get many applications, not only Kodi. It's going to allow you to connect to the Kodi server to be able to download the build and all the updates. Very important that you run a VPN. You're going to get more links, more content, and some add-ons will require a VPN inside of Kodi to give you movie links, TV show links, and all that content, okay? Now, I'm going to log into my VPN, but if you're doing this at home, to log into your own IP vanish, I'll show you how that's done. So you can obtain your own account by pressing Open IP Vanish, and you'll see a screen like this. So now you can take your phone or a computer or in any device, you can scan this barcode or go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. When you go to that link, you'll end up at a landing page. Now, from that landing page, you can select your package and you can sign up for a VPN account. Through my links, I negotiated 82% off, means that it's going to be only a few dollars a month. It's like a cup of coffee at Starbucks or less. It's about $2 and change now, I believe. So it's a great, amazing deal through this affiliate link. You can pause the video to get set up. So once you land on this page with scanning the barcode, or go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description, you'll put your email address, then you'll create your password, and you'll sign up. Once you sign up, you'll get an email confirmation from them, confirm your email, and then sign in with your email and password and press the login button. Very simple to do. You can pause the video to take care of that. That's going to be able to connect to the diggz server and continue to the next step in our tutorial, okay? So I'm going to log into mine and I'll show you the IP vanish setup for Kodi. Once you log in with your own account, you'll see a screen like this. Now from this screen, you want to click the gear icon. You want to say connect on Android startup. You want to flick that on. You want to click one back arrow. You want to go to location, and from the location menu, you want to go to countries. You want to scroll all the way to the United States. So let's scroll on over to United States. And from United States, we're going to click on that and say favorite United States. Click on it again and say connect to United States. This is going to come up. You're going to press the OK button on the connection request. And now we're fully protected and we can now proceed to the next step. So make sure you get protected with a VPN. It's going to allow more access and it's going to allow us to get the Kodi build and to connect to the diggz repository for updates and for these add-ons to work, okay? Now, when that VPN is running and it's done, you want to go to the downloader, okay? You want to open it up, you want to press the OK button. You want to click up here, highlighted in yellow, and you want to put in the following code, 10381. So the code is 10381. Once you put that code, press the go button. What's going to happen, it's going to connect, and in 4 seconds, it's going to take you to the unlinked website. As you see here, the URL is right there. Without any intervention, you'll see that the unlinked is going to automatically start downloading. When it's finished downloading, you'll get prompted to install it. Press the install button and follow by the done button. Don't open it up. There's one last step we have to do. Let's press the done button. Press the delete, followed by pressing the delete to delete the installation file. Now, once that's done, press the home button on your Fire Stick. And from here, it's going to be quite simple once we press home, because now we're going to go on our Fire Stick and you'll see that we actually have downloader, IPVanish, and the unlinked application should show up here at any minute. If something doesn't show up, it's always here under My Apps and Games. You can find it here. So if I click into here, you'll see that my unlinked application is there. But I don't want to open it up yet. I want to go to Settings. I want to go to My Fire TV, My Device, and I want to click inside. Click on Developer Options, click on Install Unknown Apps, and then make sure to turn the unlinked to the on position. Now, once you do that, let's press the home button and start up the unlinked application by pressing on it. It'll take you to another menu. Now here, New Library, click inside of the blinking cursor and put in the following code, lowercase Fire Stick. Okay, once you do that, you're going to press the next button and you're going to see a pop-up screen, and that's going to give you the best applications. So not only Kodi, but you can get over 60 updated applications from my store. If you get an error and you cannot get into my store, if something comes up with an error saying, unknown code or something like that, or any other error, please make sure that your IPVanish is turned on, okay? Now, take a picture of this if you want all the best apps. If you want to just install Kodi, no worries, but don't press the enter button. This is blurred out at home right now, but when you're doing it on this Fire Stick, it won't be blurred out. You want to press the back arrow, and you want to press the back arrow to exit the store. You want to go back into the store, and when you go back in, you'll see a little button that says New Tech Apps with a folder. Click on that. It's already highlighted, and that's going to expand all the categories. Now, I'm in Fire Stick Tools, but you can scroll all the categories like best sports apps, best movie TV show apps. All those categories are there. Scroll down to the Kodi category, but if you want any other apps, they're all available here. So I'm going to scroll down to the Kodi category. Okay, once in the Kodi category, you'll see a lot of Kodis in different versions, okay? And there's the newest Kodi, which I did videos on, but you want to do the quick setup. So this is going to be the quick Kodi setup. Click on the quick setup Kodi. You'll see the newest version, might say a different number, but always go for the quick setup to have this quick setup done very quickly, okay? What's going to happen, it's going to start downloading Kodi. This will pop up, you press the install button, and once you press the install button, the screen will come up, you press the install button, and what we're going to do now, once it installs, it's going to flicker the screen. Now press the home button. Now remember, I can go up and down, left to right to get more applications, okay? Now Kodi should come up here any minute, and you'll see it right here, okay? You want to click on that Kodi icon. Now what's going to happen, it's going to come up with this, press the continue button, press the allow button. It's going to run Kodi for the first time, and it's going to be practically blank. There's going to be nothing inside. Let Kodi run and start up. And when it starts up for the first time, you'll get something like this, okay? Now, it'll give you a diggz installer, okay? And add-ons will be given permission data stored by allowing you agree that you're solely responsible for any loss of data, unwanted behavior, or damage to your device. Do you would like to proceed? Say yes, okay? Now, build installed. Kodi will now restart. That's fine. Let it exit and then go back in. You should get the screen. If you don't, just try starting it up again from the main menu. So if you had a blank screen or any errors, just click on it again, and then it should take you to this screen, okay? Now, once you're at this screen, okay, it's gonna be very straightforward. You're gonna see a lot of sections, okay? You wanna go down to the add-ons section and you wanna click on that. You wanna click up here in the package installer. You'll get presented with this menu. Now you wanna click install from repository. You wanna go to diggz repository. Now you wanna go to program add-ons and you wanna click on the Chef Omega Wizard and you wanna press the install button, okay? Now press the OK button. What's gonna happen? The Chef Omega Wizard is going to be installed, and without touching anything on my Fire Stick, we should get a pop-up in any minute here that things are happening. Things are installing in the background. So it might look like nothing's happening, but things are really happening here in the background. So it says 0, but that's not true. There's actually dependencies and things that are being installed. Now, without any intervention whatsoever, when this installs in any minute here, okay, you'll say add-on installed, okay? Now, I'm not touching anything. It says package cleared. This screen will pop up. You want to press the back arrow, just very important, just once. You don't want to touch anything else. And this will come up. Would you like to install one? There's no build. I'm going to say yes on this pop-up. And we're going to go to diggz Xenon free. You're going to click on that build. And you want to say continue to proceed. Everything will be erased. Proceed to continue. Now you see the build will download very quickly, extract, and you'll be done. That's how quickly we've installed the newest version of Kodi. Super quick setup, done very, very quickly. After the download, it'll start to extract the build. And when it extracts, you're pretty much done. You're going to press OK to force close Kodi. And you can go back into Kodi by clicking on this icon at any time. And now this process successfully should work for you. So I successfully installed Kodi. Now, if you go here, I'll show you for the entire process my VPN was on. We did this probably under 10 minutes. I've done a lot of talking, but it was super simple, no long links, nothing like that. And we fully installed Kodi. Make sure you protect it if you haven't done so to make the add-ons work better, to get all the stuff that's being blocked. Make sure you scan the barcode here or go to this bit.ly link. Also in the pinned comment description, get a big discount, 80% plus off, and you're going to be protected for a cup of coffee per month. It's really cheap, a few dollars, and that's going to give you so much content and full access to the unlinked application and Kodi application. Okay? If you haven't done that, you can scan that, and that will get you set up for the IP vanish. Okay? Now, please drop a comment below. Let me know if this worked for you. Are you enjoying this version of Kodi? Are you enjoying the unlinked store? Let me know what city and town you're representing, where you're from, perhaps, you know, how long you've been watching me, or if this just worked, just drop a comment below. Comments are very important to me. I don't ask for money, donations. I'd appreciate if you guys drop the comment. Also, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I have an update, so you can get an update what has been new and what's been released. That will get you covered. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Also, follow my X account. The links is in the description if you want to follow that. And thank you for being here, and have an amazing, beautiful day. Take care of yourself and your family. Take care.